Hi guys, this video is regarding CA final audit face-to-face classes at Guntur. And these classes are for May 2023 and November 2023 examinations, physical classes completely. Now, so here I'm going to explain clearly what are all the things that you will get, what is the mode in which the class will be taken, all that stuff. So listen to this video till the end without forwarding. Now, by the way, the duration of the class, the duration of the batch is for 55 days. The duration of the batch is for 55 days. 55 days is excluding holidays, man. Getting it? Now, this is applicable for May 23 as well as November 23 examinations and even later. Getting it? Now, I call them as 2023 edition because the classes are being taken in 2023. And you know what? Um, I know you are having many clarifications, sir. Is it regarding is it based on updated syllabus? What deliverables that we get? What is the duration of the class? All that I'm going to clarify here. So what are the deliverables? First of all, from my end, you will get 4 modules of main material and 1 colored smart notes you will be getting. And further, you are attending physical class, right? In addition to that, we are giving you the backup of the same class which we record. Yes, whatever the physical class I'm going to take, I will be doing recording also of the same session. Getting it? So we are making the recording arrangement also. So we'll record, and that backup also we will provide you 50 days with 1.2 view in Google Drive mode. And whoever joins for this physical class, for them the revision class is absolutely free. Like in the month of April, we are planning to conduct revision class also physically. That will be free. Further, one more point. If at all we couldn't conduct revision class for any reason, we have conducted very recently 2 months ago revision class, which we have backup. That backup will be provided to you. Now, the fees is 9,500 rupees, and the class is the physical class will start from 2nd January, new year. Okay, and it will complete, the target completion date is 15th March. Actually, you're having 73 days time, the gap is, but assuming Sundays, sometimes Saturdays, and even holidays, festivals all together, effectively 55 days. And what is the timings? Morning 7 to 10. It's a very flexible timing for every CA final student. Morning 7 to 10. And half an hour break will be given. So effectively 2.5 hours every day class will be conducted. So 55 hours into 2.5 equals to 140 hours approximately. It will come around 137. So round figure 140. So within 140 hours, we are going to conduct the entire CA final audit. We are going to cover. By the way, if you want to know more details, like where the demo videos, all that, here you can see, there is a QR code reflecting. Take your friend's phone, scan that QR code, you'll get a playlist, YouTube playlist. Inside that, recent paper analysis, my marathon videos, all that were uploaded. So you can have a view about how my classes are going to be. And by the way, remember, this batch is going to be one of the most important batch for me. 2023 is going to be most important for me. So I call this as exemption batch. Getting it? Aim 60 plus in audit CA final. So with this motive, I'm going to take up this batch, going to record these videos. Now, sir, I cannot attend physically. Is there an option of Google Drive mode? Yes, you're having Google Drive mode, even Android mode. All this edition 2023 recordings will be available from 20th January onwards for sale. So whatever classes that we will be conducting, getting it, so that we will record every day. Every day we will encrypt and then put it on Google Drive. Whoever want, we will sell recording also. And remember, the recording price is also going to be same. But for recording, we will be giving 1.5 view and we will be giving minimum 6 months validity. Getting it? Anyhow, recording sale of 2023 edition, we will provide the details a little while later after the classes have been commenced. So physical batch is about from 2nd January to 15th March. And I'm telling you, whoever attend for this, I promise audit is most interesting paper and audit is most scoring paper. That's what I can promise. One more thing. Physically, this is my first batch, CA final. Not first, but second batch. In Thrissur, I took first batch physical. So again in Guntur, I'm taking first batch. Actually, I don't have the thought of taking up physical classes because of various preoccupied commitments. First of all, I have an institute. Because of all that, I don't want to take. But somehow I made my time. Many students are asking so to conduct physical classes. So I decided because I stay in Guntur. I am conducting classes in Guntur. That's it. These are the details about the CA Final Audit Edition 2023 physical classes. Now, you might be having few more doubts. Sir, what is the material that is applicable? ICI 2021 October edition material is what applicable for May 23, even November 2023. You all heard of upcoming scheme, right? New proposed scheme, right? Ignore about that. It will not come until November 2023. Upcoming scheme, we are expecting attempt only from May 2024. So if you're planning for May 23 and November 23, please come and attend this class. Right now, edition 2022 recordings are already under sale in Google Drive mode. Many are enrolling, getting it. So what is the change between that and this? Typically speaking, no changes, because the syllabus is same, the concepts are same, the coverage is same, everything is same. Just that they were recorded in studio. Now I'm going to take physical class, and that physical class will be recorded. For sure, this is going to be even more interesting. So that's it. Now, if you, I think most of you heard about the quality of content in my classes. You are going to witness the same. So by the way, what are the deliverables? You can attend all the physical classes for 55 days. In addition to that, we will give you backup for 1.2 view with 50 days validity. Remember, backup class will be given only from February 10th or 15th onwards. So anyhow, whoever joined with the class with us, getting it, we will coordinate with each other and then accordingly provide you the backup class. So 50 days validity backup will be given. It is always advisable for every student to take the backup class at the end of the batch. If you take at the end of the batch, you can watch once again the backup class. Getting it? So don't miss this chance. I promise you are going to experience audit in a whole different level. So kindly share to your friends also, whoever is staying in Guntur, because we took arrangements so that the pamphlets and all reaches you. All that, I think this video also gives you an information. By the way, sir, what are all the things that you cover in CA Final? In CA Final we have 22 chapters. So in CA Final we have totally 22 chapters. We split them into first category chapters, second category chapters. But in your case, I will be covering both the categories completely. 100% syllabus I will be covering. In addition to that, we will be doing MCQ videos also in the classroom itself. We will discuss MCQ videos also in the class itself, MCQ. And I will also explain past examination questions, past MTP questions, past RTP questions. I will explain personally, getting it, in the class itself. So it should be one-stop solution. And by the way, I am only giving you revision also. So if you attend for the physical class, you're going to get the main, you're going to listen to the main, all the chapters. I'm only going to explain you MCQs. I will only explain you the revision. And I'll give you many more tips to crack easily other subjects also. That's it. It is going to be a, a combined session. It's going to be a comprehensive session. Okay. So I hope you got all the details. Thank you. Have a nice time. Take care.